Hi, in this video I will demonstrate the rolling update deployment strategy for iTrust. In the rolling deployment strategy, we will be having 5 instances where each of the instances will be redeployed while the 4 other instances will remain operational. To start with, I have created 6 AWS instances here. First is the iTrust Jenkins, which will be a Jenkins server, and the rest 5 will be our production server for iTrust, where we will implement the rolling update deployment. Going to the code now, let's have a look at the host file. So we can see that we have one Jenkins server for the iTrust and then 5 different servers which are production servers for iTrust. Now moving to the code, we have iTrust_AWS. This YAML file installs the Jenkins server and also it creates 2 jobs. First is for normal deployment of iTrust into the production servers, where the production servers are prepared for the application and the deployment takes place, and the other is the rolling update of the servers. So whenever the rolling update job is called, we invoke another Ansible script. Let's have a look into that script. So this is the rolling update script. Here you can see that we have 2 new attributes for this YAML file. So this is what is vital for achieving the rolling update in our Jenkins job. This serial attribute is used to force the Ansible script to run at one host at a time, and the max fail percentage is made 0 so that the Ansible playbook fails even if a single host encounters error. We can see that in this deployment we shut down the Apache server and then replace the war file with the new war file that is being deployed, and then we restart the Apache server, as well as we check if the Apache server is properly up or not. Now that these are the YAML files that we have already seen, let's run the YAML file itrust_aws.yaml. I've already run it and this is done properly, bringing up the Jenkins server for us. So this is the Jenkins server. Let's open it up. So this is the Jenkins server that we have. It has 2 build jobs present. The iTrust build job is used to deploy the production servers. So it prepares the production server and deploys the application in it. We can go to the log and have a look. It first does Maven build in each of the production server and deploys it. So we have successfully deployed it in all the 5 production servers. Now we can do a rolling update using the itrust-rolling job. So let's have a look at the job configuration first. As you can see, this gets the Git repository and then does a Maven package on it, generates the war file, and then calls the iTrust deploy AWS rolling, which takes the war file from this Jenkins repository, Jenkins server, and deploys it into the production instances. I've already run this job, so that let's run this job and see how it works. But for the sake of saving some time, I'll remove the Maven package as it has already run and the war file is already present in this system. just open the output. We can see that there are 5 servers in which the deployment will take place, and it goes one by one. So the first server is handled first, the Apache server is restarted, and then it waits for the application to come up, and after it has come up, it goes to the second server. And similarly, the update is done for the 5 servers in a serial way. Let's copy your IP address from this job. Have a look if the application is up properly or not. So the Apache server is up, as well as the iTrust application here. So as you can see, the deployment has taken place in all the 5 different servers in a rolling way. Now let's see what happens in case of a failure. Let's go and fail one of these servers here. So we are failing this server. I'm just stopping the instance for now. Now let's try to run this job again. As you can see that since we had a max fail percentage of 0, as soon as the first error was encountered, this job build failed, and the status of this build is now failed as well. So this is how the rolling update works.